Hello friends! Kumusta na kayo? Ako naman mabuti. It's been a while. Matagal ko na hindi nag-vlog kasi sobrang busy. Ang daming kung ano-anong pumasok sa buhay natin. So, kailangan nating asikasuhin muna bago iba. You know what I mean? Anyway, dito po ako ngayon sa craft room / office namin. Craft room ko because ako lang naman kasi ang nagka-crafting. Mahilig po kasi ako gumawa ng cards, gumawa ng documentation of our lives, travels, etc. As a matter of fact, I am currently finishing up. Ito, since ano pa to I'm way behind. 2016 pa to. Makikita niyo lang to sa isang kong IG account at saka isang YouTube channel ko. Pero, it's just for fun. Anyway, winter ngayon. Winter pa rin, wala si Benji ngayon, nasa work, mamaya pa yun siya darating ng mga 2:30 or sometimes, 3 o'clock. I'm just making the most out of my day off. But today's update, siguro I will be talking more sa mga vlogs ko kasi na-realize ko na ang hirap palang mag-edit ng video na puro may caption sa baba, tapos i-edit mo pa and everything. So, it takes a lot of time. I am a very busy person. I think it will give me a little bit more time, to finish up and catch up with the videos that I need to edit. To be honest, marami pa akong video na kailangang i-edit. So, anyway, mamaya pupunta kami sa bahay ng kapatid ko because birthday ng pamangkin ko. It is his birthday today actually, and he turned 5. And I'm so happy that he will be going to school soon. Kulit yun si Tyler. Mamaya, yeah, we will go there. Benji has a plan of making him a cake. And his favorite is Bluey. So, kailangan ko rin gumawa ng mga cutouts ni Bluey. At ilalagay namin yun sa cake. So, stay tuned. I will see you a little bit later, okay? Hello, friends! So, ginawa na ni Benji yung cake ni Tyler. Tadaan! Yan, simple lang po yan. Favorite niya is si Bluey. Ako naman, gumawa ako ng cake topper. Cake topper na Bluey. Yan. What? Box. E di, hawakan na lang. Gawa natin paraan. Yeah, tatapusin ko muna to and I will get back to you later. Ito guys, ikakat ko na yung second layer. So, I'm going to click this. Yan. So, automatic siyang magkakat according to your preferred design. Ayan na. This is the second layer. Tapos gagawa pa ako ng third layer nito para maging buo siya na na topper. Kasi ito hiwalay ito Tapos ito magkadugtong naman ito. So para bigyan ng dimension din, magdadagdag ulit ako ng isa pa na layer para maging perfect na yung cake topper natin. I'll be back. Hello friends! So, ito na ang finished product. Diba? So, ang mangyayari niyan, ito ang nasa likod. Pardon yung mga hugasan at maduduming kung ano-ano dyan. So, ito yung sa likod. Tapos, ito yung nasa harap. So, bali, ganyan ang magiging kakalabasan niya pag na-tap na siya sa cake. Ganyan. Oh, di ba? Alright. Excited na ako. Susurpresahin natin yung bata. See you later. Wow! Ay.
Come on, get in my room.
Why?
Because my room is super cool.
What's super cool? It's this.
Here. Hi.
Happy birthday!
Oh, picture na go sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tyler. Happy birthday to you. Blue. Blue.
Where do you sit?
Oh.
Oh, there.
Mm.
Yay!
Oh, one more picture. Catch me.
Sada, sino mong ano? May mong yung shield.
Buwa.
Buwa. Bakit pare-pareho ang tunog ng baril tsaka
Apa lagi? Allah.
Na, yan ang epekto ng sugar.
Yan nga.
Yan! May granada.
Para makagalaw na ako ng ano, bongga.
Boom. Di tama ako ah.
Shut up.
Nagpaligos ka? Nagpaligos ka? Naligo ka hindi? Naligo ka hindi? Ew, your feet is gross. Your feet. Ew. That's so gross. Oh my god.
Yeah. Yeah.
You have to take a, what is that?
Yeah.
A monster.
Yeah. It's not a monster.
Oh, nakakagigil ka talaga. Alam mo, may laman-laman ka na talaga.
If you break me, I will shoot you.
No, I will not break you because I love you.
Yeah.
Isipa mo bote ha.
Ah, shit.
Ganda niya tingnan kasi may laman-laman na siya.
Like
Oh man.
na uwo ka rin eh.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Si Bayon.
Happy birthday.
Balik ka na.
Lagay mo muna dyan yung kwan. Magsusot pa akong sapatos.
Pay attention.
Okay.
What's really doing? Oh, can you pause the cell phone please? Because we're going the stairs. Pause the cell phone. Pause. Yeah. Pause. Okay. Then watch out where you're going.
Pamuyot ha. Pamuyot. Ay! Uy!
Oh, bye-bye na.
Bye!
Thanks, Win.
Gawin?
Bye.
Bye!
You're coming with us?
No. Why? Because it's super cold. I don't have a jacket.
Go inside. Sobrang kulit. Grabe. Okay guys, so nakauwi na kami. We're at home. Nagstay lang siguro kami doon ng mga an hour or so, 1 hour and a half or something. Nag-celebrate lang kami ng maliit lang, hindi namang kabunggahan na birthday party ng pamangkin ko, but it was worth it. Sana next year ma-celebrate namin ng mas maganda at may mga bisita ba. Yeah, we've enjoyed it and he was happy with his cake. May pasok pa ako bukas, may pasok din si Benji bukas. So, I will update you soon. Peace out. Bye! Hello friends, good morning. Update lang po tayo. Today is a very cold day. Siguro nasa minus 27 or so. I'm not entirely sure. It's really cold. Tingnan mo, papunta akong work ngayon. Look at my eyes. Nagpo-frozen na yung eyelashes. Kasi sobrang lamig. May snow pa rin. It's February. Pero sobrang lamig. Most of the time in February, ang pinakamalamig na buwan. Yan. So, marami akong bet-bet. Oh Lord. Chaotic talaga kapag taglamig. Oh, kaya may yung bet-bet ko. Tadaan! Nakalagay dyan yung baon ko. Tapos mga bihisan. Andito rin yung sapatos ko. Kasi yung sapatos ko, pang winter. Pagdating ng trabaho, magbibihis pa ako. Yan. Okay, so, update ko na lang kayo mamaya. Yeah, I'll see you later.